VXRT stock analysis and VXRT stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done 42,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. VXRT specifically, well, you can see beforehand here, I look to take it further down. Right? And here's the call out of mine, which is so on point. This is crazy good. 5 months back. And I was like willing to do the same thing. The timing kind of got skewed, like no shorts got taken. But unironically, it's still in a bearish market. Like, I know you see this and whatnot, but all points down to the same thing. If there is a double break, sell side still, it is, in my case, right? Again, this is very subjective. And I personally, having done 42,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It might be different from what's making you money. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just sure click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.